Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, let us discuss one more problem related to impairment loss. Z company has a PPE with 1,95,000 in accumulation depreciation account at the end of 3 years. Means this 1,95,000 is a depreciation amount for 3 years out of 10 years. So total value of asset is 10 years. The asset is tested for impairment loss. The selling expenses is 15,000. Market value of the asset is 5 lakh rupees. The value in use is 4,10,000. Find impairment loss and show the entry. So here the cost of PPE they have not given directly. So what they have done, depreciation they have given. So depreciation what they have told, 1,95,000 depreciation at the end of 3 years. Andre this is for 3 years ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಈ ಒಂದು 1,95,000 ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಅಕ್ಯುಮುಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ 3 ವರ್ಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು 3 ವರ್ಷದ ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ 1,95,000 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3 ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 65,000. ಸೊ 65,000 is a depreciation value for 1 year. Total value of asset ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಸ್ 10 years. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 10 years. ಸೊ 65,000 is for 1 year it is getting depreciated. Into 10 years if you do, you will get the cost of PPE. Cost of PPE is 6,50,000. So first you have to find out the carrying value. Carrying value at the end of third year. So first cost of PPE. What is the cost of PPE? We have found out cost of PPE is 6,50,000. Cost of PPE 6,50,000 less. From this you have to deduct the value of depreciation. The value of depreciation they have given in the question directly for 3 years. It is 1,95,000. If you subtract both, you will get the carrying value. So 6,50,000 minus 1,95,000 will be 4,55,000. This is the carrying value. Now we have to find out the recoverable value. So we have to find out the recoverable value. So in order to find out the recoverable value, we will consider two aspects. One is fair value less cost of disposal. Fair value less cost of disposal. Second one is value in use. Value in use. Out of this, whichever is higher, we will consider it to be recoverable value. Fair value they are given in the question that the market value of a similar asset is 5 lakh rupees. So fair value is 5 lakh rupees less. In question they have given that selling expenses is 15,000. So you have to reduce that selling expenses from this. So the amount will be 4,85,000. If you minus 15,000 from 5 lakh rupees, you will get 4,85,000 rupees. Next, value in use. So they have given that the value in use is 4,10,000. 4,10,000. So I'll write it directly here. 4,10,000. Out of these two, whichever is higher. So 4,85,000 is higher. So the recoverable value will be 4,85,000. Now we have to find out the impairment loss. The formula to find out impairment loss is carrying value minus recoverable value. Carrying value is 4,55,000 minus recoverable value is 4,85,000. You will get a negative balance of 30,000 rupees. So when you get a negative balance, that doesn't means there is no impairment loss. So there is no impairment loss because recoverable value is greater than carrying value. Recoverable value is greater than carrying value, so there is no impairment loss.